Hello everyone. For the 5th standard SSC, we were talking about chapter 2 that is Indian freedom struggle. Okay. In that, we were learning about how the people were very dissatisfied with the rule of British people. Okay. So first, in the 1800 onwards, rise of the social reformer Raja Raman Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, and Sayyid Ahmad Khan, Vivekanand. They were trying to remove the superstitions from India, that is sati pratha and child marriage. Then also they urged the people to improving the condition of women. They also encouraged the people to have the modern education so that you can fight with the Indians. Then after disagreement of the people, they rose revolt in 1857. In that, people of like Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope, who were saying Begum Hazrat Mahal, these all are revolt against the Britishers in the year of 1857. They fight for the freedom, and that is known as the first war of freedom or first war of Indian independence. Okay, if I ask that what is the first war of independence, that is revolt of 1857. The result is the mercilessly suppressed by the Britishers this war, and the people were killed in that. There is no output of this, but Britishers were now very alert that now people of Indians are very not happy with us and they can have the revolt. Okay. In 1885, formation of INA, that is Indian National INC, that is Indian National Congress, in year of 1885. Who was founded? So A.O. Hume. Okay, that is founded by A.O. Hume. Then, what is the aim of making this INC? That aim to fight for the freedom, step by step. Then argued inclusion of Indians in legislative assembly means they can represent this INC and they can have their views in the assembly, legislative assembly. Demanded more freedom to speak or expressions in the publish their views in the newspaper. Result, the British never took this demand seriously. Means they were demanded like this, but Britishers never took this demand seriously and they were ignoring to them. In 1858, end of EEIC rule means the company has been made to rule over the country or set up their trade centers in India. So that was totally and the rule of EIC came to an end and India was brought under the direct rule of British. Means this company was there to rule over the India, but after this EIC end, the Indian rule come to under the directly Britishers. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India. We also have seen then 1905 partition of Bengal. Okay. So in the partition of Bengal, the Britishers have said that they are thinking to divide this Bengal in the two so that they can take care of this Bengal province in a better way. But the main aim of dividing this Bengal is to divide and rule policy. They wanted to separate the Hindu and Muslims so that they can have the advantage of faith and they make them dissatisfaction or disunity they wanted to have, so that they do that. But many of the Indian leaders were fought against that, and they feel that this is a very bad idea, and they protest against it. For that, they have started the Swadeshi movement and boycott movement. So in Swadeshi movement, they have started to manufacture the goods in India only, and boycott means whatever the goods brought by the Britishers, they are not supposed to use it. Secondly, whatever the jobs has been given by the Britishers or any titles, they have to remove it, or they have to give it back to Britishers. Then do not go to the British school and colleges. Then British goods were publicly burnt, and Vande Mataram became the song to unite people against the partition. Result, many textile mills, handlooms unit and soaps and matchbox factories were opened in Bengal to produce goods to meet the needs of the Indian people. Now, 1905, beginning of armed revolutionary by Indians. Now people, some of the leaders who were thinking that Britishers will not give us the freedom easily, we have to snatch it or we have to fight aggressively with them. So, like revolutionary groups were formed in a different parts of the country. Members of these groups took up arms fight against the British, and many willingly sacrificed their lives to get the independence. So important revolutionaries are Khudiram Bose, Aurobindo Ghosh, Prafulla Chaki, Jatindra Mukherjee, and which is also known as Bhagat Jatin. Okay, so these are the revolutionary who fight for the India, and those who they were thinking that the Britishers will not give them easily freedom, so we have to fight aggressively with them. In 1911, that is annulment of partition of Bengal. In that, as a result of mass protests by the Indian, the British Indian government announced the annulment. What is the meaning of annulment? Is declare an official result, a decision as null and void, cancelled. That means Bengal, in this year, the seat of central government was also shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. Means Calcutta was the central government was there, but after this, they have shifted this Calcutta to Delhi. Okay. Now, 1915. 1915 to 1960, foundation of Home Rule League. Home Rule League. Now, Indian National Congress supported the British during the World War First. Means in the World War First, the INC support to the British. They hoped that Raj would accepted their demand for the self-government. However, many Indians soon realized that British had no intention to losing control over India. Means what happened in the First World War, the Britishers fight in the World War, and they took help of Indians. Okay, so they supported in it as in hoping that Britishers will give them a self rule or self government. Okay, but our Indians soon realized that Britishers won't lose their rule over the country. So leaders such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak and N.E. Besant started Home Rule League. Leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak and N.E. Besant. Aim or end of the league is the league tried to convince all the Indians about the need for freedom for the British operation and self-rule by Indians. Means what is the aim? That we need our freedom back. Okay. So they are going to agree agreement of the people, or make them agree to with this opinion. The slogan of Tilak was Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. Means Swaraj is my birthright and I am going to have it. So now this is what we have learned about that. This is the Indian freedom struggle. One is there. In that we have learned that people were started opposing to the Britishers so that they can have our they can give us our freedom and our Raj back. But it won't happen like that, because it is now what they are making the rule on India, and like completely they were to conquer it. But people in India, they were hopefully they were trying to get the freedom back. In that, the World War First, when the Britain was fighting, in that the Indians were fight again with the help means they fight with the Indians, with the Britishers. They help them to fight against the other countries, hoping that they will give them their freedom back. But soon they will realize that Britishers never give them freedom back. They won't be give them a freedom back, because uh, they will not lose their rule over the country, because they are getting the profit from it. They are taking as much as profit from the India to their country Britain. Okay, so in that cases they are not going to have this freedom given to the people. Many wars were happened, means revolt happened like 1857 revolt was happened. Okay, people were fighting against them. Okay, but as a result, when the whole country comes together, otherwise it won't happen like that. Means many people like that, where they are working for the Britishers, they don't want to lose their job or something like that. So in that cases, when everybody will come together, then only it is possible to get the independence. Otherwise, here disunity among the people from the India, they are taking the advantage by the Britishers. They divide the Hindu Muslim people, and some of the people they offer something so that they won't be fight against them. So this is the things that people in different parts of country have to come together, and then only they we are getting the freedom from the Britishers. Otherwise, what happens? Somebody is fighting for the freedom, um, but others are not want to take part in this. It is not happen like that. Few people can have the freedom, because the Britishers were more than they have all the amenities. Those they have all the powers, the weapons they were having. So as a normal human being, we cannot get the freedom like this. We have to come together, and we have to fight against them. Okay, so read this chapter once again. This chapter has been completed. The another part is also there, that is Indian freedom struggle too. So after this we are going to have this. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.